Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abdullah from 𝗁𝘂𝗺𝗃. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how we can get some other free AI credits. Yes, and I'm going to be introducing you to how you can get a AI credit also from Gumloop. Yes, so now into this video, all you have to know is that this video is literally created for educational purpose, and at the same time it is time restricted and region based. So if you're watching this from anywhere, just make sure you try it out first, as it is available globally. So the activation of the credits may literally be cut off in any point in time. So you just have to stick to the video step by step, and do not forget to claim yours. So if you're new to this channel, this is my channel #𝗁𝘂𝗺𝗃, and you can see numerous AI credits that are available here. You can claim some free plan, which are literally professional plan, and all for free. So as you can see, some of the video I literally made for tech enthusiasts and some other people. Yeah, so now let's deep dive into today's video. If you like this video, do make sure you click on the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the notification icon to get notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, so now the AI we're going to be talking today is Gumloop. Yes, so now while looking at the search bar here, we have Gumloop login university. Yeah, so what exactly is Gumloop? Gumloop is actually a no-code platform to build and host AI-powered business automation. Yes, so over time, we believe tech is the future, and at the same time, people are talking, okay, AI is what is making tech to be the future and leveraging tech. So now, in today's world, so we have people doing business automation for their day-to-day activities. So it won't just be run on autopilot or have to like get a lot of staff and talent literally. So now, what is Gumloop used for? So it's a modern workflow increasing handle it on structured data such as website, PDF. So this literally helps you to be as an AI powered automation for new cognitive layer on top traditional logic, as you can see it here. So now how much does it cost? It costs a lot on a monthly credit system. So you can start with the free trial, but what we're literally doing here is to get the pro trial for free. Yes, so which is not going to be a trial but the pro plan for free. Yes, so now when you get here, just click on this first result and it's going to redirect to here where you have the Gumloop. So you can see the amazing landing page, how it is. So you can see different workflow available and how people have been interacting with it over time. And these are the list of companies using it. This is Webflow, one of the best no code web designer. This is also Shopify too, and Instacart and some other particular complaint. And this is what they are, from data analyst agent to support to CMR and to meeting prep. So all this is literally your all in one for different type of AI, and you can see these are what some other complaints have said about them, giving it as a review from Shopify, from Instacart and some other thing. Yeah, so now the next thing for us to do is to check through what's beneficial for us. You can decide to explore the resources, look at the solution that they offer, and you can see there are a lot of other use cases here. So now the next thing we need to do is just check through the pricing and see the worth of what we're going to be claiming. So this is the pro plan, and this is what it gives to you for free, and this is the pro plan, right? So unlimited seats, a lot of unlimited things, and if you are using MCP connector for your servers, so everything is literally available here. So now let's dive into it by just clicking on get started. Yeah, so click on get started here. So now the two main SSO login is with Google or with Microsoft. So to be on a server side or to make it faster, just go with the Google. And when you click on it, this literally you signing up, right? So if you have an account, just click on the sign in button, as you can see here. So now on clicking on continue with Google, a motherboard is going to load up as this. Click on it and just wait for you to synchronize, then do well to accept the access, to grant the access in regards to the terms and condition privacy policy. Okay, so now we are currently on it. So let's just wait for it to synchronize us in. You can see this here, successfully signed in. Yes, so now we have this, and this is more of like a tour, right? So talking about the latest updates they made, so just cancel that. So now this is what we have. You have to, there's going to be an onboarding. So the onboarding is going to ask you a few questions, like some of my video I made in regards to Firecrawl, right? So now since I'm using Google, my image has been synchronized and some other details. So just click on continue. So what do you hear about this? kindly please choose YouTube. If you're watching this video from YouTube, then click on continue. Yes, so now select where exactly you are in terms of your role. It can be sales, marketing, operation, engineering. So this is going to make it suit best for whatever you are doing. You're taking engineering, you can see Jira, Confluence, GitHub, Mail, and Slack. So all is just dependent on what you're choosing. So operation, literally, because we're making use of automation here. So click to enable your agent superpower. So out of my 700 free credit that I had here, so you can just do well to take anyone you want. So this is going to cost around 100. So you literally have to take around just 7 of them, so you can do well to skip. Yes, so and the next thing, you can do well to skip it, right? Then here you have Firecrawl. I made a previous video about Firecrawl. Yes, but if you want to connect some other app too, you can do well to choose Epify, SEMrush, or Reduct. So now let's look for 3 of these. I'm not using Notion here, so let's search for SEMrush. Good, so we have SEMrush here, which is included in Gumloop. So just click on this plus, and okay, so we already add SEMrush to it. Then just click on continue. You can still do also find Amplify. Yes, so literally go for those that are included in what in Gumloop. And the last is the Reduct. Yes, so Reduct all. So as you can see, just click on it. Good, so your 1005 credit has been complete in that regard. So continue. We already had a 700 credits before, so now for this Slack connection, again, decide to connect yours, but for the purpose of this video, please do not try to connect to your Slack. Just click on skip. Yes, so you can just skip this part of it, and then we can complete our setup. Our setup has been complete successfully. So now you can build your first AI agent here. So using your connector, make web searches, web fetch, image generation, and other things, because there are a lot of AI models available here. So now, as you can see, when we need to verify this, we've finished the complete, but let's head over to our account and check out what we had. Okay, good. So let's look at our account to see the billing profile and the credits that we had available. Okay, so now when you click on your account here, so you're going to see it's literally setting. So it's going to take you to your profile here, so that we have general, and on getting there, you can look at your user ID and some other details too. So for your subscription, just click here, you can see you are on the free plan, and that's span from June 1 to July 21st, 2026. So you can enable your credit of IH, so which is going to be more of like pay as you go. So if you click on upgrade it, so it is for active pro users, right? So this is where you get your notification. So if you've used 75% of your allocation credits, so now for the usage and limit, so as you can see, we already have what, 6,005 remaining of 5,000. So literally what it gives you on a startup plan is just some little credit, and now we already have 1,005. And when you scroll down here, as at this time, which is what we have at this part of the website, so let's do what, scroll out, you can see what we have. So this is the day the video is created, just some few minutes ago, and we have this gifted credit. We have 1,005 plus. So this literally amounts to, so you can also use it at any moment in time. So if you love this video, do make sure you share across to your friends, colleagues, and family who might literally be in need of this. And here you see you can connect any different form of app, right? So just name the app and everything is going to be connected and synchronized at the same time.